Loans for bad credit, approved for good credit. Loans for bad credit, like those for any other kind of loans, are an integral part of the American way of life. At one time or another, most of us have had to come up with extra cash, and it never fails that many of us are forced to resort to some kind of short-term loans in order to tide ourselves over until we can get our finances in order. This article takes a look at the available loans for bad credit in Gila Bend, Alaska. Whenever possible, it is always better to consult a financial advisor when attempting to get loans for bad credit. It is always best to inquire about the conditions of the loan, especially if the amount involved is fairly large. If the borrower finds it difficult to meet the conditions of the loan, he might want to go back to the drawing board and start again. He might want to consider a refinancing scheme which would allow him to refinance his current loan with a lower interest rate. After all, a bad credit history may be an indication of the borrower's failure to repay debts in a timely manner. Those who cannot be trusted with loans for bad credit can't possibly serve as a model citizen. Bad credit is defined as a credit report, which contains several signs of possible delinquency. In order to restore a good score, the primary borrower has to make a personal effort to repair his bad credit history. Loans for bad credit are usually short-term, but they can provide a major boost in the event of a major disaster. When it comes to finding the best possible solutions for the poor credit record, people can turn to more than one source. Most sources have advice on the best sort of loan for bad credit, and there are even some types of loans for bad credit that allow the borrower to consolidate his debts. By doing so, the only expenses left to be paid are those for the reduced rates on the consolidated